Hello student, I Dr. R.D. Patil, Head Department of Zoology, वसंतराव नाईक आर्ट्स सायन्स अँड कॉमर्स कॉलेज शहादा. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण SY BSc झुलॉजी ह्या वर्गातले विद्यार्थी झुलॉजी पेपर सेकंड झू 302 बायोकेमिस्ट्री या विषयाचा अभ्यास पूर्ण करीत असताना याच्यामध्ये आपलं शेवटचे चॅप्टर युनिट नंबर 4 एन्झाइम्स या युनिट्स मध्ये आपण त्या ठिकाणी एन्झाइमची we have the study करताना introduction, classification of enzymes, mechanism of action, enzyme kinetics factor affecting of enzyme mediated reactions, inhibition and regulation असे वेगवेगळे सब टॉपिक्स आपण स्टडी करत आहेत. त्यापैकी युनिट 4 मधले 2 लेक्चर आपले ऑलरेडी झालेले आहेत. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण इंट्रोडक्शन, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एन्झाइम्स याच्यावरती एक लेक्चर या युनिटचे झालेले आहे. दुसरं मेकॅनिझम ऑफ ऍक्शन याच्यावरती आपलं दुसरं लेक्चर झालेलं आहे. डिअर फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी डिस्कस द सब टॉपिक्स ऑफ दिस युनिट 4 is the enzyme kinetics factor affecting the rate of enzyme related reactions and inhibition and regulation. So in this topic we study to already these points: outline of the enzymes, definition, characteristics of enzyme, types of enzyme, factors affecting the enzyme activity. All kinds of those points are detailed discussed. We known the student to the definition and characteristics of enzyme. सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना अगोदर एन्झाइम म्हणजे काय या संदर्भात आपण ऑलरेडी अगोदर डिस्कस केलेले पहिल्या लेक्चर मध्ये किंवा ह्या युनिटचे फर्स्ट लेक्चर. सो तर एन्झाइम हे दुसरं काही नसून याच्यामध्ये आपण त्याची जर बघितली एन्झाइम हा बायोकॅटलिस्ट आहे. इट ऑल्सो एज अ कॅटलिस्ट ऑफ लाईफ. कॅटलिस्ट इज डिफाइन्ड ॲज अ सबस्ट्रेट. कॅटलिस्ट असा एक सबस्ट्रेट आहे, असा एक कॉम्पोनंट्स आहे, केमिकल ऑर्गॅनिझम सबस्टन्स दॅन इन्क्रीजेस द रेट ऑफ रिॲक्शन, केमिकल रिॲक्शन विदाउट इन्व्हॉल्विंग द ओव्हरऑल प्रोसेसेस. म्हणजे असा एक घटक आहे की तो केमिकल रिॲक्शन कॅरी ऑन करीत असताना त्याच्यावर प्रत्यक्ष भाग न घेता परंतु ती रिॲक्शन तो घडून आणतो. अशा प्रकारची ऍक्टिव्हिटी करणारा जो असतो तो कॅटलिस्ट. हा कॅटलिस्ट दुसरी जर काही नसून एक एन्झाइम आहे. सो द रिअली अशा पद्धतीने जर आपण एन्झाइमची डेफिनेशन बघितली फर्स्ट लेक्चर मध्ये, गुड एन्झाइम्स आर कॅटलिस्ट दॅट इन्क्रीज द रेट ऑफ रिॲक्शन विदाउट बिंग चेंज्ड देमसेल्स. स्वतःमध्ये कुठलाही बदल न करता ती केमिकल रिॲक्शन प्रोसीड करणे, अशा प्रकारची रिॲक्शन करणारा जो घटक असेल त्याला कॅटलिस्ट किंवा एन्झाइम असं म्हणतो आपण. त्याचे कॅरेक्टर जर बघितलं तर एन्झाइम काय काय रोल करतो, तो ऑल्सो ऍक्ट्स एज अ प्रोटीन. Enzyme is nothing but a proteinous in nature. It also acts as a catalyst. Affects rate of reaction and not the equilibrium. त्या रिएक्शन वरती तो इफेक्ट करू शकतो. Unchanged at the end of the reaction. Effective in smaller quantities. Efficient and specific. Reaction can be reversed. Activities affected by surroundings may need helpers, cofactor and enzyme, coenzymes involved in multiple steps of biochemical pathways. So different kinds of the roles are get by the enzymes and its characteristics. So we already discussed enzyme classification in the first units. There are the 6 enzymes types. That is the first is the oxidoreductase, second is the transferases, third hydrolases, lysases, isomerases and ligases. So this is the 6th step of the enzymes to activity roles in the specific of the classification point of view as well as reaction point of view. Dear friends, today the next subtopics of these units we studied. This is the enzyme kinetics. So that is factor affecting enzymatic activity. So in these points we discuss about the students, we most attract to specific events this point. The efficiency of enzymatic catalyst is affected by a number of factors. Among these, The most important are the structural integrity of the enzyme molecules, pH of the medium, temperature, substrate concentration, presence of inhibitors, etc. These are most important enzymatic activities are affected by the 5 factors. First is the concentration of substrate. Second is the concentration of enzymes, effect of pH, effect of temperature, and effect of activators are the most important kinetics which also affects the enzymatic activities to proceed a specific role in this view. Dear friends, we have the factor affecting enzymes work best under ideal condition. Any change in this optimum condition will be slow down the rate of reaction. Enzyme हा त्याच्या स्पेसिफिक कंडिशन मध्ये आयडियल कंडिशन मध्ये तो चांगला रोल करतो. जर त्याच्यामध्ये थोडंफार बी काही चेंज झाला तरी देखील तो आपली जी रिएक्शन आहे, रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन आहे ती कमी असं करू शकतो. दिस कंडिशन इन्क्लूड्स कुठल्या कुठल्या गोष्टी त्याच्यामध्ये ते इफेक्टिव्ह करतात. त्याच्यामध्ये जर आपण बघितलं तर या ठिकाणी सबस्ट्रेट कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन आहे, ऑलरेडी आपण बघितलं. कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ सबस्ट्रेट, concentration of enzyme, effect of pH, effect of temperature, effect of activators are most important role in this point. That is a substrate concentration, pH, temperature, and inhibitor. This is a most important role in the optimum condition to get by the reaction will be increasing or decreasing. So first factors to get as a in specific point of view as a substrate concentration. In a concentration of substrates means we have the increase in the substrate concentration gradually increases the velocity of enzyme reactions. As same means increasing as well as enzymatic concentration, substrate concentration increasing. So within the limited range of substrate levels, a rectangular hyperbola is obtained when the velocity is plotted against the substrate concentration is denoting in this figure. That is 3 distinct phases of the reactions are observed in the graph. These are A. So this is A, B, and later on the C. Last, this is C. In this is a whole is A, this is a B, and last in this C. These are 3 stages, 3 distinct phases of the reactions are observed in the graph of this. At first, A in this condition at the low substrate concentration, this reaction, low substrate concentration in the A condition. At this time, the velocity of reaction is directly proportional to the substrate level. Means the directly is a samantar level. The reaction increasing, the activity increasing. Substrate content decreasing, the activity decreasing as a directly proportional to reaction. In B, in the second phase part B, the substrate concentration not directly proportional to the enzyme activity. In this B, this is not a directly proportional. It is a againstly increasing decreasing process are creating. And in C last, the reaction is dependent on the substrate concentration. So in this diagrams or figures 4.3, so this is 3 stages are donating at a low substrate concentration. A doubling of substrate concentration leads to a doubling of reaction rate, whereas at higher substrate concentration, the enzyme becomes saturated and there is a no further increase a reaction rate. So it is called a hyperbolic curve. In this diagram, this is a x axis and y axis. So this is a reaction rate in the y axis and x in this axis as a substrate concentration. So this is a hyperbola curves are seen in the diagram. So substrate concentration non-enzymatic reactions creating this diagram. Second, also substrate concentration enzymatic reactions are takes place as 1/2 max to reaction velocity, and substrate concentration is also seen in the position. Next, second is the enzyme concentration. So in the concentration of enzymes or enzyme concentration is increased, the velocity of reaction proportionally increases as parallel level. The rate of enzyme concentration increase होत असेल the velocity of the action देखील increase होत असते, denoting by the in this figure. In fact, this property of enzyme is made use in determining the serum enzymes for the diagnosis of disease by using known volume of serum and keeping all the other factors at optimum level, the enzyme could be analyzed in the laboratory. The relative concentration of the serum enzyme measured through its activity used for the diagnosis of disease. So this in the plotting or these figures, when substrate concentration is saturating or doubling, the enzyme concentration leads to a doubling of the rate of reactions. So this enzyme concentration is the rate of reaction to conducting by the specific as a enzyme concentration. In next third position, that is the pH, effect of pH in this enzyme activities. Increased in hydrogen ion concentration, pH considerably influences the enzyme activity and a bell-shaped curve. So this is a bell-shaped curve. In this activity has to denoting each enzyme has an optimum pH at which the rate of the reaction that it catalyzes is at its maximum. Slight derivatives in the pH from the optimum leads to a decreases in the reaction rate. So this is the enzyme activity. So in a neutral, pH 7 is a neutral. So less than is the acidic condition. pH higher than 7 is a basic condition. So this is a specific kinds of the enzymes, salivary amylase, pepsin, arginase has your activity to get by the also as a curve to bell shaped. So in this each enzymes has a optimum pH at which the velocity of maximum below and above this pH, below and above this pH at which the velocity of maximum below and above the pH, the enzyme activity is much lower, and extreme pH, the enzyme becomes totally inactive. Most of the enzymes of higher organisms show optimum activity around neutral pH 6 to 8. There are, however, many exceptions like pepsin 1 to 2 pH, acyl phosphate 4 to 5, and alkaline phosphate 10 to 11. Enzymes from fungi and plants are most active in acidic pH 6 to 4. Hydrogen ion influences the enzyme activity by altering the ionic charges on the amino acid, especially at active site, substrate, ES complex, etc. So in this way, this is a specific condition. We are increasing the activity of the pH to affecting, and in specific stage is a bell-shaped curve, later on decreases. Increasing to optimal condition also get a decreasing as a range of the effective, we call the inactive. The enzyme becomes totally inactive at the extreme activity is much lower and at extreme pH. In this condition is the most important effects of the enzymatic affecting by the pH. The effect of the pH in the schematic representation of the charts are indicating also as a normally as a bell-shaped curve. Optimum pH values in specific as a peak points. The trypsin and pepsin enzyme activity as well as pH. Extreme pH levels will produce denaturation. Already discussed the extreme specific condition. Denaturation means the activity will be neutral. This has a inactive, totally inactive. The structure of the enzyme is changed. The active site is distorted and substrate molecules no longer fit in it. At pH values slightly different from the enzyme's optimum value, small changes in the charges of the enzymes and its substrate molecules will occur. This change in ionization will affect the binding to substrates with the active sites, and specifically the effect of the pH. Effect of pH also do examples of optimum pH in a enzyme source and optimum pH. Pepsin gastric mucus 1.5 is a pH. Sucrose intestine 6.2. Catalase liver 7.3. Arginase deep liver 9. Alkaline phosphatase bone 9.5. So this is optimum pH of the particular type of the enzymes to get the specific sources in this schematic representation. So next factor is the effect of temperature. So temperature is most important affecting factors on the enzyme kinetics. Elevated temperature increases the rate of an enzyme catalyzed reactions by increasing the internal energy of the substrate molecules, which helps to overcome energy barrier or achieve activity energy. However, a second effect comes into play at higher temperatures, which causes denaturation of the enzyme and decreases the rate of reactions. Means also this is a 3 points ABC. In this way, velocity of an reaction increases with increase in temperature up to a maximum and then declines. A bell-shaped curve is usually observed in this figure. Also same bell-shaped curve as a temperature coefficient Q10 is defined as increase in enzyme velocity when the temperature is increased by 10 degrees centigrade. For majority of enzyme, Q10 is between 0 degrees centigrade to and 40 degrees centigrade. Increase in temperature results in higher activation energy of the molecules and more molecule enzyme and substrate collision and interactions for the reaction proceed faster. The optimum temperature for most of the enzyme is between 40 to 45 degrees centigrade. However, a few enzymes, example venom, phosphokinase, muscle adylate kinase, TACA diastase, etc. are the active even at 100 degrees centigrade. Some plant enzymes like urease have maximum activity around 60 degrees centigrade. This may be due to very stable structure and conformation of these enzymes. In general, when the enzymes are exposure to a temperature above 50 degrees centigrade, denaturation leads to disruption in native structures of the protein and active site for seen. Majority of enzymes become inactive at higher temperature above 70 degrees centigrade. So in about the description, the maximum or minimum temperature is most important for the every enzymatic reactions are occurring. Dear students, we have the above the all kinds of the enzyme kinetics to get most important role for the enzyme activity. Last 5 is the this is the effect of temperature also curves as a same Q10 enzyme activity. The denaturation is maximum temperature to get by the curve will be bell shaped. Next in the effect of temperature for most enzymes, the optimum temperature is about 30 degrees centigrade. Many are a lot lower. Cold water fish will we die to 30 degrees centigrade because their enzyme denatures. In many more time, if the aquatic animals which are living in the water has a 30 degrees centigrade, these temperature will be denaturation in your enzymic activity and this fish will be dead. A few bacteria have enzymes that can withstand very high temperature up to 100 degrees centigrade. We already discussed. काही ॲनिमलांच्या बॉडीमध्ये रिॲक्शन होण्याकडे 40 से 40 डिग्री ते 55 डिग्री देखील त्या ठिकाणी येऊ शकते. कुठले कुठले 50 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड टेम्परेचर डिनेचर होतात आणि काही काही असे आहेत की त्या ठिकाणी 100 डिग्री देखील या ठिकाणी त्यांची रोल ते करू शकतात. पण एकंदरीत त्याच्यावरून मेजॉरिटी ऑफ जे एन्झाईम जे आहेत ते बिकम इनएक्टिव्ह ॲट हायर टेम्परेचर अबाउट 70 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. बस त्या ठिकाणी ते त्यांची ऍक्टिव्हिटी डिनेचरेशन होऊन जाते. So this is the effect of temperature already Q10 we rates at the denature and get by the controlled optimum temperature for enzyme control reaction will be balance between the Q10 and denaturation is the specific activity critic in the charts. So this next 5 factors is the effect of activators. Dear friends, activators is the most important role. Some of the enzymes require certain inorganic metallic cations like Mg+2, Mn+2, Zn+2, Ca+2, Co+2, Cu+2, Na+, K+, etc. for their optimum activity. Rarely, actions are also needed for enzyme activity. Example, chloride ion, Cl- for amylase. Metals functions as activators or enzyme velocity through various mechanisms combining with the substrates formation of ES metal complex, direct participation in the reaction and bringing a conformational change in the enzyme. Two categories of enzymes requiring metals for their activity are distinguished as follows. As specifically in the two ways effect of activators, that is a metal activate enzyme and B is the metalloenzymes. In a metal activate enzymes, the metal is not tightly held by the enzyme and can be exchanged easily with other ions, example ATPase, Mg+2 and Ca+2, enolase Mg+2. And in case of the metalloenzymes, that is these enzymes hold the metallic metals rather tightly, which are not readily exchanged. Example is alcohol dehydrogenase, carbonic anhydrase, alkaline phosphatase, carboxypeptidase, and aldolase contain zinc, phenol oxidase, copper pyruvate oxidase, manganese, xanthinic oxidase, myelobdenium, cytochrome oxidase, iron, and copper. So these kinds of the metallo enzymes are actually role in effect of activators. In this way, in these topics, enzyme kinetics or affecting the enzyme factors is the most important role, and get the chemical reactions are also increasing or decreasing. This process will be controlled of the this enzyme kinetics. Dear friends, in next topics we study विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो पुढचा पॉइंट आहे एन्झाइम इनिबिशन. We first know about what is mean inhibition. The inhibition is a phenomenon which the catalyst activity as enzyme can be decreased due to binding the enzyme by inhibitor is known as enzyme inhibition. या ठिकाणी एन्झाइम रिएक्शन होत असताना त्याला कुठला तरी एखादा घटक त्या ऍक्टिव्ह एन्झाइमला अटॅच होऊन जातो आणि त्याची जी रिएक्शन आहे ती रिएक्शन स्लो करून टाकतात. अशा प्रकारची ऍक्टिव्हिटी क्रिएटिंग करणारे जे असतील त्या फॅक्टरला इनहिबिटर किंवा नोन ॲज एन्झाइम इनहिबिशन. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज एन्झाइम इनहिबिशन. जी नॅचरल होणारी ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहे ती इनहिबिटर त्या एन्झाइमला अटॅच झाल्यामुळे ती ऍक्टिव्हिटी जी ती लेस करतो आणि त्यामुळे ती जी रिएक्शन होते त्याला एन्झाइम इनहिबिशन म्हणतात. द इनहिबिटर्स may be organic or inorganic in nature. There are three broad categories of enzyme inhibition. That is three categories. That is, first is a reversible enzyme inhibition. Second is irreversible enzyme inhibition, and third is the allosteric inhibition. So this is a reversible inhibition. It is this. We also ES complex plus E and P products are denoting in first process, that is reversible inhibition. Reversible inhibition. The inhibitor binds non-covalently with enzyme, and the enzyme inhibition can be reversed if the inhibitor is removed. The reversible inhibition is further subdivided into a competitive inhibition, non-competitive inhibition, and uncompetitive inhibition. So this reversible inhibition also to involves in non-covalent links between the inhibitor and enzymes. That is three process. That is reversible. First is the competitive inhibition. A competitive inhibitor components with the substrate molecules for binding to the active site of the enzyme due to close structural similarities with the substrate molecules at high substrate concentration. The effect of competitive inhibitors can be overcome. So in this way, this is a schematic representation to the competitive reversible competitive inhibition. Inhibitor I, which is closely resembles that real substrate S, is regarded as a substrate analog. The inhibitor competes with substrate and binds at the active site of enzyme but does not undergo any catalysis. As long as the competitive inhibitor holds the active site, the enzyme is not available for the substrate to bind. During the reaction, ES and EI complexes are formed as shown below. In basically this reaction, E plus S irreversible ES, E plus P product also form I plus EI. The relative concentration of the substrate and inhibitor and their respective affinity with the enzyme determines degree competitive inhibition. So this is a Km value increases whereas Vmax remains unchanged. So this is the activity as creating by the specific figure to effect of competitive inhibitors. Next is a non-competitive reversible non-competitive inhibition. The inhibitor binds at the site other than the active site on the enzyme surface. This binding impairs the enzyme function. The inhibitor has no structural resemblance with the substrate. However, there usually exists strong affinity for the inhibitor bind the second site. In fact, the inhibitor does not interfere with the enzyme substrate binding, but the catalysis is prevented, possibly due to distortion in the enzyme conformation. So this specific activity also non-competitive inhibitor binds at a site other than the active site of the enzyme and decreases its catalytic rate by causing conformational change in the three-dimensional shape of the enzyme. Inhibitor don't have any structural similarities with the substrate molecule. So this is also this is a active uh, sites to get by the allosteric enzyme. We also attaching as a specific coding. This reaction also first prostaglandin synthesis E, arachidonides S, and aspirin I specific to three reactions are get by the reversible non-competitive inhibition. So we also third is the uncompetitive inhibition. This is a third class reversible inhibition, which however is not very common. In this case, the inhibitor does not bind with enzyme but only kinds with enzyme substrate complex. Uncompetitive inhibitor decreases both Km and Vmax values of the enzyme in this third uncompetitive processes. Second is a irreversible inhibition. We already discussed in the this irreversible inhibition, and irreversible inhibitor binds tightly, often covalently to the active site of the enzyme, permanently inactivating the enzyme. They often form covalent bond with amino acid at active site. Examples: diisopropyl phosphorylate DIPEF, isodoaxidamides, and penicillins. Specifically, as a reaction, the inhibitor binds covalently with the enzyme and inactive them. This is irreversible. These inhibitors are usually toxic substances which may be present naturally or man-made. Lodoacetate is an irreversible inhibitor of the enzymes like pepsin and glycerolidase 3-phosphate dehydrogenase. Lodoacetate combines with sulfhydryl SH groups at the active site of this enzyme and makes them inactive. So the specific DFP is a nerve gas developed by the Germans during Second World War. DPF irreversible binds with enzyme containing serine at the active site. Serine protease acetylcholine esterase as specifically two reactions also created by the irreversible inhibition. Next in the point of the enzyme site is also to allosteric inhibition. Some of the enzymes possesses additional sites known as allosteric site other than the active site. Such enzymes are known as allosteric enzyme. The enzyme's activity is increased when a positive allosteric effector binds the allosteric active site. On the other hand, negative allosteric effector binds at allosteric site known as inhibitor site and inhibits the enzyme activity. Means म्हणजे allosteric inhibition काही नसून त्या ठिकाणी पर्टिक्युलर ऍक्टिव्ह साईटला allosteric एन्झाईम ऍक्टिव्हेट करण्याकरता एक पेस्ट तयार करणे. त्या the sum of the enzyme possesses additional sites known as allosteric sites other than the active site. Such enzymes are known as allosteric enzyme. त्या ऍक्टिव्ह साईट व्यतिरिक्त allosteric साईट साठी जागा असते आणि त्या ठिकाणी the enzyme activity is increased when the positive allosteric effector binds. त्या ठिकाणी त्या प्रकारच्या allosteric साईटला पॉझिटिव्ह allosteric अटॅच झाल्यानंतर रिएक्शन फास्ट होते आणि त्या ठिकाणी निगेटिव्ह allosteric effector binds झाला तर रिएक्शन थोडी इनहिबिट्स कमी होते. अशा प्रकारची ऍक्टिव्हिटी क्रिएटिंग करण्याकरता allosteric enzyme inhibitionचा रोल महत्वाचा आहे. So in this way we also declared to conducting by this in enzyme inhibitor factors we discussed by the three processes in the enzyme inhibition. Next is the in this unit this point next subtopic is the regulation of enzyme activity in the living system. The all kinds of the living organisms are get particular roles. The enzyme are important role as in same for the kinds of reaction in the living organism. Dear friends, we already discussed in the mammalian in physiology paper that is digestion. Digestion is the physiological processes in which complex insoluble foods are converted into simple and soluble form. At this time, the complex food it convert into simple. At this time, specific of the enzyme, that is a digestive enzymes, are most important role. Each and every enzymes has a specific temperature, specific pH, all kinds of concentration, substrate concentration, enzyme concentration is most important your activity to get by the natural form. As same regulation of enzyme activity in the living system, the various factors that influences enzyme activity in the laboratory have been known. That is, some of these factors like temperature, pH are quite constant in the living cell. In biological system, the regulation of enzyme activities occurs at different stages in one or more of the following ways. So this is these ways to controlling the activity of the enzyme or regulation of the enzyme. First is a allosteric inhibition. In this allosteric inhibition or regulation, that is, some of the enzymes possesses additional site known as allosteric site. We already discussed in the allosteric inhibition. The active sites, such enzymes are known as allosteric enzyme. The allosteric sites are unique places on the enzyme molecules and is most important to creating the activity for the reaction of the any organism are most important by the allosteric regulation as well as inhibition. Second is the that is activation of latent enzymes. This process, that is latent enzymes are also called as the inactive enzyme. Some enzymes are synthesized as proenzymes or zymogenes, which undergoes irreversible covalent activation by the breakdown of one or more peptide bonds. Example, proenzymes, namely chymotrypsinogen, pepsinogen, and plasminogen, are respectively converted to the active enzymes chymotrypsin, pepsin, and plasmin. Certain enzymes exist in active and inactive forms which are inconvertible depending on the requirement of the body. The interconvention is brought about by reversible covalent modification like uh, phosphorylation, dephosphorylation, oxidation reduction of disulfide bonds as a specifically activation by the latent enzyme. Next, third is the compartmentation. In this enzymatic activity, these are the certain substances in the body, example fatty acid and glycogen, which are synthesized and also degraded. There is no point for simultaneous occurrence of both the pathways. Generally, the synthetic, anabolic, and breakdown catabolic. That is these specific processes. That is anabolism or catabolism. As same for the anabolic and catabolic processes or pathway for operative in the different cellular organelles to achieve maximum economy. For instance, enzyme for fatty acid synthesis are found in the cytosol, whereas enzymes for fatty acid oxidation are present in the mitochondria. The control for the synthesis and breakdown of fatty acids is brought about by regulating the transport of common intermediates across the mitochondrial membrane. Dear friends, depending on the needs of the body through a mediation of hormonal and other controls, fatty acids are either synthesized or oxidized in the specific way. In next, fourth is a control of enzyme synthesis. That is, most of the enzymes, particularly the rate limiting ones, are present in very low concentration. However, the amount of the enzymes directly controls the velocity of the reaction catalyzed by the enzyme. Many rate limiting enzymes have short half-lives. This helps in the efficient regulation of the enzyme levels. There are two enzymes, that is constitutive enzymes, housekeeping enzymes, the levels of which are not controlled and remain fairly constant. B. Adaptive enzymes, their concentration increases or decreases as per the body needs, are well regulated. So in the control of enzyme synthesis. And last is, but one is the 5, enzyme degradation. That is, enzymes are not immortal, since it will be create a serious problems. There is a lot of variability by and half lives of individual enzymes. For some it is day, will be others in hours or in minutes. Example, LDS2 4 minus 5 to 6 days, LDS 1 minus 8 to 12 hours, amylase 3 to 5 hours. In general, the key and regulatory enzymes are most rapidly degraded. If not needed, they immediately disappear, and one required they quickly synthesized through. Not always true. An enzyme with long half-life is usually sluggish in catalytic activity. In this way, this is a enzyme degradation. And last 6 is the isoenzymes. Multiple forms of the same enzymes will also help in the regulation of enzyme activity. Many of the isoenzymes are tissue specific, although isoenzymes of given enzyme catalyze the same reaction, they differ in Km, Vmax, or both. Example, isoenzymes or LDS and CPK is the most important role in the specific by the isoenzyme is the multiple forms of the enzyme, as every chemical or as well biological reactions are creating in the body are most important role by these isozymes. In this way, dear friends, we completed the 4 units of this course, JU 302 biochemistry. We any kinds of difficulty may ask me anytime. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, अशा पद्धतीने आपला जो SYBSC झुलॉजी पेपर सेकंड या कोर्सचा जू 302 बायोकेमिस्ट्री याचे 4ही चॅप्टर कंप्लीट शिकून झालेले आहेत. त्यांचे PDF नोट्स तुम्हाला मी सप्लाय केलेले आहेत. सर्वांनी त्या पद्धतीने लेक्चर विथ नोट्स या पद्धतीने व्यवस्थित आपल्या पद्धतीने स्टडी करून त्याच्या ब्रीफ मध्ये स्वतः ओन prepared by your notes, and most important role in your preparation your exams as the type of the MCQ. At this time, every notes as well as your lecture will be seen or observed again and again to get the any queries or any small points or mistakes to difficulties to ask me anytime. Dear friends, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.